nothing I like better than being at home with the animals, surrounded by these lovely animals, and with the fire on, and they're just amazing characters. They're so full of love. There's 2 dogs and 6 cats. I had 3 dogs. One of them sadly passed away only a few days ago, poor little Fonzie. I had 8 dogs here at one stage. For years and years I had 8 dogs, but it's been a tough 4 or 5 years. The dogs are all getting old. Well, I only have this for a few months, but all the rest of them are all really old dogs. So they all passed away one by one in the last couple of years. I don't really feel it.